Having an attractive portfolio have a huge impact on getting clients, especially for new freelancers. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an attractive portfolio website within 5 minutes for free. And the good news is, you don't need to have any special skills in order to get started. This is the website that we are going to create in this video. It has an About Me section where you will include all the necessary information about you. And then it has an education page where you will include all your education history, and also a page where you will include all your relevant work experience. And lastly, there is a page where you will include all your contact information so that potential client can contact you if they want to work with you. And creating this website takes about 5 minutes from start to finish. In order to create this website, we are going to use Canva. Canva is a free graphic design website. It's one of the easiest graphic design websites on the internet. Canva has a free and pro version. If you are using a free version, you are going to have a limited access to the template and resources on the website. If you are paying for the pro version, you will have access to every single element on the website. But the good news is, even if you don't have the pro version and you want to use their pro version template, what you just need to do is, you can sign up for a 7-day free trial. Without paying anything, you can sign up and get access to every single premium feature on the website. You can just sign up for a free trial and create your website. If you want to continue using their services after your trial has ended, then you can start paying for their pro version. Okay, without any more delay, let's jump to my computer and I will show you how you can create this nice portfolio website within 5 minutes. The first thing that you need to do is go to canva.com. When you go to canva.com, use the search bar to search for online portfolio and choose online portfolio in the drop down option. Right here you will see all the portfolio template in Canva, and what you need to do is go through the template and find the one that you like. There are a lot of templates in Canva, so you can just preview few of them and find the one that you like. For this tutorial we are going to use this template. When you click on it, a pop-up will appear where you will see a preview of the portfolio. If you want to use it, you click on customize this template and the edit page will open. This is where you will edit your portfolio and make any changes that you want to make. If you scroll, you will see all the pages that are included with this portfolio. Okay, in order to make any changes to the text, just double click on the text, highlight it, and replace the text with anything that you want to write. This is how easy it is to change any text on the website. You just click on it, highlight it all, and rewrite whatever you want to write. You just go through the pages and replace all the dummy text with your own text. If you want to replace images, you just need to go to upload and upload a file. You then find a file in your computer that you want to use on your portfolio. Select the picture that you want to use on your portfolio and click open, and the file will be added to Canva. And you just need to click on the image and it will appear on the page. Then you drag the image and place it on top of the image that you want to replace, and the image will replace the current image on the page. And you can double click the image and drag the image to resize it or to change its position until it fits perfectly where you want the image to be. Okay, you can go through the pages and make any changes that you want to make. Make sure you replace any dummy text with your own personal text. Okay, when you make all the changes that you want and you are happy with your portfolio, you can just go to the top of the portfolio and change the name of the portfolio to your own personal name. Okay, when you make all the changes that you want, you rename your portfolio. If you want to share your portfolio or if you want to view your portfolio website, you can just click share at the top and copy the link. Make sure you click on view only link. This means anybody that you give the link, they are going to have a view access. They can only view the portfolio without having any access to make changes to it. You can go to another tab, paste the URL, and you can preview your portfolio. So this is how your portfolio website is going to appear to client. If you share this link with potential client, they are going to see all the pages that are in your portfolio. You can click this arrow to the left or right to see the next page or the previous page. So this is how easy it is to create a portfolio website in Canva. You just find a template in Canva, customize the template, rename the portfolio, and get the share link. And you can share your link with your potential client. Next, you can watch this video to learn how to write a winning proposal as a freelancer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video.